Why in insurance policies are the exclusions buried so far in the policy that most people never get to it? Chris, claims manager Chris, Bellator Claims, he's here. He's going to tell us what is going on and why this is the case.
Well, thanks for the introduction. Happy to be here, everyone. One of
Yes.
the things that we do as public adjusters, because we're dictated by the policy, so we do a very, very
Right.
thorough policy review. And some of these can take a lot more time than they used to, because you're
Yes.
talking in some cases 200 plus pages, and you have to go out and find what everything that we're looking for. And boy, do
Right.
they bury some of those stuff deep, deep,
Yeah.
deep. And it's like, how can you even see this in the very beginning when you're signing up for your policy?
Right.
Taylor, it'd be much easy just to have a little checklist in the very beginning of your insurance policy. Here's your exclusion for cosmetic. Here's your exclusion for this. Here's it, the
Right.
important things, when you're choosing your policy. But
Yeah.
I'm sure they do it for a reason. And what do you think that reason is?
Probably because they don't want people to know how many things are excluded.
Uh huh.
And insurance companies write the policy contract that then you adhere to as the insured. And it's called a contract of adherence, meaning insurance company wrote to it, you pay and you adhere to it. If you want to change something, it's going to cost you money, but they are the ones that write the insurance policy. So what do you want? Like if you're the one writing the contract, you want it to be in your favor, which insurance companies slant and lean everything in their favor. That's why they're multi-billion, coming up on multi-trillion dollar corporations across the world, right? Multinational corporations. So ultimately, it's because they don't want you to know what's excluded, which the flip side of that is because there's exclusions, if it's an all perils policy, we say, hey, if you didn't exclude this, then it's included. And they're like, well, we can't write for every possible exclusion. I didn't say you could, but you didn't write for this exclusion, which means you
Yeah.
owe for it, right? So just trust me when I say we're really good at what we do. We've been doing this for over a decade now, and we know how these insurance companies play the game, and you just have to be as good or better than them at playing the game back.
And that's what we do.
That's
So
what we
great
do.
points there.
BellatorClaims.com. Help us reach 1 million people with this message. Send this to someone that needs to know what's going on with their property insurance claim. If it's an insured commercial property owner, property manager, commercial real estate broker, on any commercial or industrial type claims, school districts, municipalities, we've worked on all of those and we can help you too. BellatorClaims.com.